Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to track corporate actions in the Ant web trading platform. Corporate actions are events initiated by a company that can affect its shareholders. Or in simpler words, you can use this when a corporate event involving your shares is live. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Ant web trading platform. Under the Apps section, locate Bot. Click on it and you will be redirected to this dashboard. From here, go over to Portfolio, then Corporate Actions. This is a new account, hence there is no visible data. But we'll go through each one of these sections one by one so that you can have a better idea about them. So here we can see 4 options: Buyback, Takeover, OFS and My Orders. Buyback is when you want to sell your shares back to the company at a fixed price. Takeover is when you participate in acquisition offers. Acquisition is when another company, say company B, is buying the present company or company A's shares permanently. OFS or offer for sale is when you buy shares from promoters or institutional sellers at a discounted price. Basically, you can buy shares at a lower than market price when an OFS is live. If you have submitted any bids or orders in buyback, takeover or OFS, then it can be tracked through My Orders. You can also check your past actions here. So that sums up all we had to discuss for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Alice Blue's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out on any updates from us. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.